shopping day at Bath and Body Works. They was doing the buy one get one sale, plus it was a 20% coupon. So y'all know I had to run on down to the store and see what I could grab. So yeah, I did grab a few candles on this shopping trip. I just did like a really quick walkthrough. I really didn't want to draw this walkthrough out, but I did grab some candles. I love this Neutrals collection. I'm not even sure if that's the name of it, but I absolutely love this collection, the whole entire collection. So y'all already know that was one of the things that I did grab. This clock candle holder, I'm still on the fence about it. I really want it, but I don't want to pay that price. So yeah. So hopefully y'all went out to the store and grabbed some of these candles with the 20% coupon that Bath and Body Works was so nice to give us. Love those little perks. Love that, Bath and Body Works. So hopefully they'll keep doing that for us, because that is kind of what's making us go and shop, because of that 20% coupon and the fact that they were doing a buy one get one sale too. Oh my goodness. Super good sale. But Black Friday is coming, Candle Day is coming, so don't spend all your coins on these BOGO sales, because we have better sales coming. So hopefully y'all getting ready for all of that. Okay y'all, this is the haul of my buy one get one candle sale that's going on now, but it might be over by the time I post this video. But this is the haul, the candles that I got from the sale. So let's get started, because I don't want to drag this video out. I want it to be somewhat a short video, so let's get started. Okay, so the first candle I got is White Tea and Jasmine. And I actually got this candle burning. If y'all can see it. Probably not, but I gotta burn it in the background. So yes, I just brought it in here. It was burning in the kitchen. But with this candle, I did buy two. I grabbed two of these candles because I didn't even know this candle was going to be in the stores. I just thought it was just something that was coming soon. But to my surprise, when I went into the store, it was in there. White tea, soft jasmine petals, fresh bergamot. That's the scent notes that's on the front. The scent notes is the same on the back. White tea, jasmine, bergamot. I do like this candle. Like I said, I have it burning in the background. It was burning in the kitchen. It's actually nice in the open concept, I should say. It's actually nice. I most definitely get that jasmine scent, that tea scent. I'm not really getting a whole lot of bergamot. It doesn't really come off fresh. It come off more floral to me with that tea note behind it. So I actually kind of like it. It's very unique. It's very different. If you do like those different type of scents or candles, this is one to try. It is slightly giving me like Sulfur 8 a little bit, like the Her Grease Sulfur 8. And it could just be that tea note that I'm smelling, but it's more floral to me. I actually like it, but I'm only on my first burn, so we will see. Right now, it most definitely is giving me a medium to high throw. So far, it's not a powerhouse, but it's most definitely throwing. So I grabbed two of these. The next candle is the linen and lavender. I already have this candle, so I was gonna pass on it, but because I like everything in this whole collection, this neutral collection or whatever it's called, I decided to go ahead and grab it. I honestly think I have two of these candles, I believe. I'm not 100% sure, but I feel like I have this candle in my collection already. The scent notes is crisp linen, lavender, sea salt, and fresh air breeze. Scent notes is the same: linen, lavender, sea salt, and fresh breeze. So I'm assuming it's going to be like a fresh candle. Yes, it's more on the fresh lavender side. So If you love those fresh lavender-like scents, you will most definitely enjoy this because it's not your typical lavender that they normally have. You know, normally they have more of a herbal like lavender, but this one is more of a fresh lavender. So yeah, I'm gonna give this one a try. I don't even think I've ever burned this candle, and I think I have. I think this is probably like my third one in my collection, I do believe. So yeah, grab that. Okay, the next one I got is this strawberry snowflake. Everybody's grabbing this, has that special lid on it. Everybody's grabbing this candle because it's new out for it's in the 3-wick candle. I think I have the single wick as well. But I wanted to get the 3-wick. You know, this comes in body care as well as hand soap. So they have a whole collection with this candle. So yeah. The scent notes is strawberry, whipped cream, ice bergamot. So yeah, very much a fresh strawberry. Smelling it on cold is more or less like a, not like a super sweet strawberry. I'm getting more of a not a super ripe strawberry, but more on a, it needs to be on the vine a little bit longer. You know, so yeah, it is sweet. It is strawberry, but it's one of those fresh like strawberry scents. Yeah, but I'm gonna burn it to see if it's gonna give like that sugary sweetness with the creamy part. I'm gonna see if it give me that, you know, almost like cut up strawberries with whipped cream on it. I don't think it's going to give that because of that ice bergamot note in it. But I really would love if they did more of a super sweet strawberry with that whipped cream note. Oh, that would be so good. But so I'm going to give this one a try. I had to grab it. I do have the single wick. I don't have any part of the other parts of this candle, like the body care or the hand soap. I don't have those items. So I got the candle. Maybe I'll get the other items. I don't know. The next 2 candles is just backups. Things that I already have. Because I told y'all I absolutely love this candle. This is so good. And most stores is sold out of this candle because y'all know this came out late summer, early fall. So most of these candles is gone. And this one is really, really good. I was getting ready to leave the store and the guy came out with a box of these and he gave me one because they knew I was looking for them because I asked for it. So I had to get back in line and I grabbed 2 more candles. So I grabbed this one and I grabbed another Dream Bright. I should have grabbed 2 of these because this is actually good and it's sold out. I'm not sure if it'll be around for Candle Day or semi-annual, but as of now, it is sold out online as well as all of my stores. I was super shocked that they still had 1 box. Maybe they had 2. I don't know. Maybe they pulled these candles, you know, because they were going to put the Christmas candles out. I have no clue, but they didn't have any and he found that box and he gave me 1. I should have grabbed 2. The sales associate was telling me to grab 2. I should have, but it is what it is. You know, so this will make number 3. So I have a total of 2.5 because my very first one I'm almost done with. So yeah, I wanted that one. And then again, I grabbed this Dream Bright. This candle is so good. It gives you that creamy berry. Is it raspberries? Oh, berries. It most definitely is creamy with that berry note behind it. This is actually really, really good. As far as the candle, you know, I haven't really tried the body care part of this candle, of this collection yet. But as far as this candle, I really, really like it. And I have the candle. I have 1 candle. This will make my second one. And this one is almost gone. As y'all do see, it most definitely has a lot of soot. But I'm almost done with this one. I'm at the halfway point. Really, really enjoyed this candle on the warmer as well as lit. This is really, really nice. Really nice. And I do have it in the single wick form as well. I think I got 2 of the single wicks. So yeah, that's all of the candles I grabbed this time on this buy one get one sale. This is everything I got. As far as backups, as of now, I'm okay with everything that I have. I'm gonna try my best to hold off until Candle Day. I will not be shopping the Black Friday sale just because I don't ever shop that sale. And I get it that it is a really good time to like stack your coupons and really get a good deal, but for me, I don't like the hassle. I don't like the crowd, so it's just a pass for me. And then you got to think, a week later is Candle Day, so I would rather save my money for Candle Day. So leave in the comments, let me, and I'm sorry y'all, my hair's super ashy. Leave in the comments, are you shopping Black Friday? Do you have your game plan for Black Friday? What are some things that you're gonna get on Black Friday, or you just gonna totally skip Black Friday and wait for Candle Day? Leave all that stuff down in the comments, just so I know we can have a little discussion about it. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe and click the thumbs up. Leave your girl some comments down at the bottom. Shout out to all my MVP riders. Thank you for always supporting your girl. Thank you for always having my back. And I'll see y'all in the next video. All right. Peace.